Hello Mr. Capune, I have for you this video for the 203 for your sub. Congrats! And I can't get this Medeco. Why is if I pick control I can get, but I can't pick open. Or maybe I was lucky and pick control. I will try to get it. I don't have key for this lock, but it's a easy one Medeco. Maybe it's shy on cam. No, I got it control. Okay, now that I have all my stuff. Sorry, on my pinning tree, and this lock I will try to get it by here. Maybe. Okay, close. It's very hard. Okay. After that, I think I kill this lock. Okay, first spring. And, oh, spool. I'm sorry, just here. Spool. Okay, spring. I don't know if it's here. Here. Okay. This is not my best. Oh. This is the second. My best gut, but try to do my best. 3. Ah. Sorry. Not my best video too, I think. Okay, it's the 5, 4, okay, if I put here, move the sidebar here, 5, 4, and pin 3 just here, spool here in the second pin. Medeco Chub, pick control. I don't know if it's good for you, Mr. Capune, but this is my... Oh yes, I have work in progress here. Love to pick Medeco. And this is what inside. Thanks for watching, guys, and Mr. Capune, congrats again. Have a good day.